Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with 2 controllers and 2 profiles ready. Connect them now and make sure both show as active. Launch Black Ops 6 and choose multiplayer or co-op because those modes allow local join. Once the lobby loads, press on the second controller to join. When the sign-in prompt appears, you must select the second profile. This step registers the player locally, so make sure both controllers are assigned before moving on to split-screen options. Once both players are added, open the lobby or match settings to choose a game type that supports split screen. Local and private matches are reliable. You can then configure display options, choose horizontal or vertical split, tweak HUD scale, and confirm player order so controls map correctly. Also check network preferences. If you plan to invite online friends, make sure local split screen is stable first to avoid connectivity conflicts. These mid-stage tweaks ensure an optimal view and control layout for both players. Start the match and confirm both players see their portion of the screen and hear game audio correctly. Verify input responsiveness immediately. If the second player still sees a full screen solo, sign out the second profile, remove the controller, then re-add it or restart the game. This often forces the split-screen handshake. For performance issues, plug the Xbox into Ethernet or pause downloads. That reduces latency. If problems persist, power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.